Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing for your creative studio. Today I am sharing the March box. I have confirmed this and I have figured out these codes. 0323 means March 23rd. So maybe I'll be able to keep track of it now. This is March's box. Let's get into it. All right, so here it is, your creative studio. And it looks like we have a bee theme. So bee happy, so cute. I love this faded, vintage, watercolory, whimsical vibe. I really think that's fun. All right, let's pull all the items out and move aside the box. And the first item that we have is the tape. Ooh, okay, all right. I like how bold the yellow is. The yellows and the oranges are very bold. Very cute. Love, love, love. All right. Next we have one of the stamps, another exclusive. And we have a 3-pack here. So we've got a jar of honey, some honeybees, and another jar of honey. 2 different jars. And some bees. Cute. Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of later in the evening, but we're leaving on vacation in a couple of days. So I want to get this done so I can take the kit with me and play with it while we're there. Okay, so we have another stamp and it is a floral with a bee. I love that. Here are the exclusive stickers. Cute. Ooh, okay. We have a tangible physical item. And it's a little bookmark, an enamel bookmark. And how cute is that? Oh my gosh. This is definitely a first. I've never seen anything like this. And the colors are super fun. Bring it up closer. Super cute. Love, love, love. All right, we have another exclusive, and it is the sticky note. Look how cute, and it looks like the adhesive is just right there. Super cute. The lighting is rapidly depleting itself. I'm trying to move as quick as possible. Dazzling flowers. Got some holographic action going on. Can't actually tell what these are. I don't know for sure if they're sticker sheets. They kind of feel, yeah, they are sticker sheets, and I guess you're just meant to fussy cut all of the little images out, which is kind of cute. I'm not sure how I feel about like holographic stuff though. It's just not my vibe. But I'm gonna use it because I can't waste anything. All right, next we have this written memory paper pack. The mini paper pack. Oh, it's like a book. It's glued. That's convenient. So all the pieces are attached, but we've got 2 different color papers. We've got a craft paper and then a white. And then they're printed with 2 designs each. And it looks like the images repeat because I think this and this are the same. So that's cool. You get 4 total of each design, but in different papers. Next we have some little square paper. And again, this is glued at the top because I tried to move it and it didn't. And we've got all kinds of paper. So we've got some regular white paper, lots of florals, and then it goes into vellum with those same designs. I really like this one. It's really pretty. And then we start with new designs. This is like autumnal, Christmas holly, daisies, butterflies, and then again in the vellum. And then we've got butterflies. Kind of look like poinsettias, but I can't really set it down to that permanently. And then again, it repeats in vellum, and then we have this craft backer, which is interesting. I've never seen anything like that before, so that's kind of interesting. Another thick paper thing. Again, bound. Very thick though, like, whoa, Nelly. Just for fun, it is like an inch thick. That's crazy town. Oh my gosh, that is satisfying. Oh, I just want to set that on my desk just like that and never touch it. How satisfying is that? Oh my gosh. All right, so we've got some vellum here in the middle with, they're so small, it's so hard to show you, but we've got some florals. It doesn't bend very easy. Lots of florals. That'll be fun to fussy cut out. And we've got some verbiage, collage-y types. Got butterflies and bugs and dragonflies. Ooh, I love that. Lots of bugs here in the back. Florals, collages in the vellum, and then just lots of florals up here at the front. So thick though. I wonder if it's sticker paper. That definitely isn't. That's not. No. Nope, nope, nope. All right. Thick chunky boy. And then we have this box. Kind of got smashed a little bit, but that's all right. More plastic. Looks like we've got some labels, 2 of each. Ooh, that one's pretty. Advertising, birds. That one's pretty too. These are really cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right, 2 more items. 2 more exclusives. That's it for exclusives. I mean, not exclusives. So here is the tissue paper. It is a honeycomb design. Not gonna open it, don't wanna rip it. It's the same all the way through. And the last item is the paper. So on the back it does show you all of the designs and what is included. This backer card is just so pretty all on its own. I could just see this like folded in half and being turned into like a little passport size notebook cover. Like that's in my mind. I immediately see that. And it would take nothing to just put a little decoration here and here, a little bit here hanging down, and maybe put some like tape that goes along the spine there. It would take nothing. And then you just glue your paper to the cover here and then you're done. And it looks to be very similar in size to my passport. Like my passporters. Oh my god, look at that. It literally could not be more perfect. I might actually do that. So this is the Passporters passport for Patreon. Why did it get so blue? Why is it doing that? That's yuck. Anyway, so it fits it perfect. I might actually do that to mine because I have one that I'm using every month so I can put in the exclusive sticker every month. but why is it doing that with the light? That's so weird. Anyway, that's really cute. Tangent. Here's the paper. Love, 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 love this design. This is just a regular thinner paper. Ooh, that's cute. And then we have the same designs on vellum, and I typically use the vellum. Sometimes I use it as layering if I know I'm going to be putting a lot of stuff on top of it that I know I can hide where the adhesive is, because you can see the adhesive not super well, but well enough. Or I'll just use it as a tip-in. Like I did, like recently I just used a vellum sheet as a tip-in because it's perfectly sized for a traveler's notebook. You would just have to trim off like just a little bit, but for A5 size, it's perfect. And then again, the same designs, but in sticker sheet form, which if I'm honest, I use this over everything else because I just prefer using sticker paper because I just hate the extra added step of using glue. So when I don't have to, I don't, and I prefer it that way. So there are all of the items. We've got a ton of paper this month. I wish there were more stickers. I just, like, we have these labels, which are fine, and then we can fussy cut these out, but I just wish there was more like individual stickers where I could just peel and stick to add like extra added embellishments and stuff. But yeah, we've got a lot of paper, like 3 paper books alone with this, but it's fine because I really do go through this stuff so fast. You don't see it on screen a whole lot because I really haven't been filming as much, but I'm still really desperately trying to get caught up behind the scenes. So I really am going through a lot of this really quickly with using it, but also with sharing. I put a lot, after like 3 months, I take everything from the kits and I put it in one big giant box that I collect all of the extra added stuff from. And I take it with me to swaps or meetups or any kind of event where I'm going to meet anybody that's interested in anything I'm interested in. I just bring that one big box with me and I open it up and it's free reign. Like whatever anybody wants, it's theirs. They can just take what they want. So I'm going to take this on vacation with me and I'm bringing all my whole setup to hopefully film. So hopefully I'll be able to film while I'm on vacation. I'm most excited for that. And yeah, so thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you guys later. I'll leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below. I don't know if this kit is available, but if you're super into bees or if you see a kit from your creative studio that you're super into, I love sharing these kits because I get so much. There's no way I can use it all on my own. If there's a particular theme that you're like dying over, please always comment and let me know. I'd be happy to share. I'm always happy to share. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below as always, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.